Good morning. Today we are going to discuss T ratio in different quadrant. First of all, again recall quadrant. So here position is 0. Here pi by 2. That means quadrant divided in 4 part. So here position 0, pi by 2. Position is pi, 3 pi by 2, and here written 2 pi. Now in degree form, value of pi by 2 that means 90 degree, value of pi that means 180 degree. So pi by 2 that means 90 degree. Here written 180 degree, and here 3 pi by 2 that means 270 degree, and 2 pi that means 360 degree. Okay. Now quadrant divide in 4 part. So here first one is here first quadrant move in anti-clockwise, that means here written second quadrant. Now in pi to 3 pi by 2 that means third quadrant, and 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi means fourth quadrant. In first quadrant, value of all trigonometric function is positive, means sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all function are positive in first quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec positive, and remaining 4 function is negative. In fourth quadrant, tan and cot positive, and remaining 4 function negative form. Same way in fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive form, and remaining 4 function are in negative form. Now how can we use in quadrant? So we know that the value of sine pi by 2 that means cos theta. In standard 10 discuss all these result. Sine pi 90 minus theta that means cos theta, cos 90 minus theta that means sine theta. But suppose sine 90 plus theta, sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta, sine 2 pi minus theta. So how can we find out this value? So using by this quadrant, now discuss all this value. So first of all, sine pi by 2 minus theta. Now value is present in y-axis, so we can change the position of the function. So total 6 function is present. So suppose sine function is present, so we can convert in form of cos function, means sine in place of we can written cos, and cos in place of we can written sine form. Same way, suppose tan form is present, so convert into cot form, and cot form is present, so convert into tan form. Cosec form is present, so convert in form of sec form, and sec form is present, so convert into the form of tan form. That means sine form is present, so convert into cos, cos form is present, so convert into sine form, tan form is present, so convert into cot, cot form is present, so convert into tan, cosec form is present, so convert into sec form, and sec form is present, so convert into cosec form. Now how can be converted? So value is present in y-axis, otherwise in denominator 2 is present, right? So we can convert this function like the first of all, quadrant moving in anti-clockwise. So the value is, suppose sine pi by 2 minus theta, so pi by 2 is present here, minus, that means this term moving in first quadrant, And suppose pi by 2 plus theta is present, so this value moving in second quadrant. So here sin pi by 2 minus theta is present, so this value is moving in first quadrant. So here we can written pi by 2 minus theta form is present, so this value moving in first order. Now upon 2 is present, that means this value is present in y-axis. So that's why position of function, change the function. So here sign in place of written here cos form. But check out, in first quadrant sign is positive, means all this function is positive, so here we can written plus sign. Same way cos into bracket pi by 2 minus theta. So again cos pi by 2 minus theta, that means this value is present in first quadrant, so here we can return sin theta. Means upon 2 form is present here, so we can change the function, sin in place of cos, cos in place of sin. Same way tan into bracket pi by 2 minus theta, cot into bracket pi by 2 minus theta, sec into bracket pi by 2 minus theta, and cosec into bracket pi by 2 minus theta. Now see here, all these functions are pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 is present here and minus form is present. Our circle is moving in anti-clockwise. Pi by 2 minus, that means this value lying in first quadrant, so that's why all this value positive in first quadrant. So here in all this place we can apply positive sign, and here upon 2 is present, so that's why we can change the position of function. So tan in place of, we can written here cot theta, cot in place of written tan theta, sec in place of cosec theta, and cosec theta in place of written sec theta. Now sin pi by 2 plus theta, pi by 2 present here, plus that means now this value present in second quadrant, so here we can written pi by 2 plus theta form lying on second quadrant. Now after upon, first of all return all these functions, so cos into bracket pi by 2 plus theta, tan into bracket pi by 2 plus theta, cot into bracket pi by 2 plus theta, sec into bracket pi by 2 plus theta, and cosec into bracket pi by 2 plus theta. Now this value means upon pi by 2 form is present, otherwise remember this value present in y-axis. Okay, pi by 2 present in y-axis, so that's why change the position of the function. So first of all sin in place of written here cos form, so here first written cos theta, cos in place of sin theta, tan, so we can convert into cot theta, cot in place of tan theta, sec in place of cosec theta, and cosec in place of sec theta. Okay, now after decide which value is positive and which value is negative in second quadrant. So first of all in second quadrant only two value is positive, sin and cosec, and remaining four value is negative. Now here sin pi by 2 plus theta, sin, now check out here we can sin and cosec, only two value is positive, so here we can apply positive sign, positive, and cosec is positive, right? Now check out this sign, not this one. So here sin and cosec, both value are positive in second quadrant, remaining 4 value is negative, so that's why here apply minus sign, remaining 4 function. Clear? So sine pi by 2 plus theta, so this value present in second quadrant. Sine pi by 2 minus theta, so this value is present in first quadrant. Means pi by 2 plus means second quadrant, pi by 2 minus means first quadrant. This value is present in y axis, so that's why we can change the position of the function. Now how can we find out the value of 3 pi by 2 minus theta and 3 pi by 2 plus theta? So once again, here quadrant divided in 4 part. Here we can written first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now in third quadrant, tan and cot, only two function is positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec, only two function is positive. Okay, now here the position is okay. Once again, sine form is present, 3 pi by 2, so again 3 pi by 2 present in y axis, right? And this value is present in y axis, so change the position of function. So sine in place of, here we can written cos, cos in place of sine, tan in place of written cot, cot in place of tan, sec in place of cosec and cosec in place of written sec form. So now sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So first of all, return all these remaining function. So cos into bracket 3 pi by 2 minus theta, tan into bracket 3 pi by 2 minus theta, cot into bracket 3 pi by 2 minus theta, sec into bracket 3 pi by 2 minus theta and cosec into bracket 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Now how can we find out? So first of all, upon 2 form is present, that means this value present in y axis. So first of all, change the position of function. Sine in place of written cos theta, cos in place of written sine theta, tan in place of written cot theta, cot in place of written tan theta, sec in place of written cosec theta and cosec theta in place of written sec theta. Now after decide which value is positive sign and which value is negative sign. So same process present here. First 3 pi by 2 minus 3, our circle is moving anti-clockwise, 3 pi by 2 present here, 3 pi by 2 minus, that means this value present in third quadrant. So here we can return 3 pi by 2 minus theta. So this value is present in third quadrant. Now check out third quadrant which two function is positive. So in third quadrant, tan and cot positive. So tan and cot, only two function is positive, remaining 4 function is negative. So here now written minus sign. Now same process apply here. Sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta, cos into bracket 3 pi by 2 plus theta, tan into bracket 3 pi by 2 plus theta cot into bracket 3 pi by 2 plus theta sec into bracket 3 pi by 2 plus theta and cosec into bracket 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So again this value present in y-axis and upon 2 form is present, we can check out, we can remember in two way. So upon 2 is present, so change the position of function. So first of all written here cos theta, sin theta, cot theta, tan theta, cosec theta and sec theta. Now how can we decide in which quadrant which value is positive and which value is negative? So 3 pi by 2 plus, that means this value present in fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 present here, plus that means this value present in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant only two function is positive, cos and sec. So cos is present here and sec is present here. So only two position is positive, remaining four function is negative sign. Clear? Now suppose the value is present in suppose x-axis. So how can we work out? So see here again suppose the value is present in x-axis like sin pi plus theta, sin pi minus theta. So pi is present in x-axis. So how can we find out the value of this function? So same method, same process apply, but the value is present in x-axis, so we cannot change the position of this function. That means sin in place of written sin form, cos in place of cos, tan in place of tan, right? So here sin in place of we can written sin form, cos in place of written cos form, tan in place of written tan form. We cannot change the position of this function. So sin pi plus theta cos into bracket pi plus theta tan into bracket pi plus theta cot into bracket pi plus theta sec into bracket pi plus theta and cosec into bracket pi plus theta. So here pi form is present, this value is present in x-axis, so we cannot change the position of function. Sin in place of written here sin theta, cos in place of written cos theta, tan in place of written tan theta, cot in place of written cot theta, sec in place of written sec theta and cosec in place of written cosec theta. Now after check out pi plus theta, so this value present in which quadrant? So pi is present here, pi minus form is present, so this value present in second quadrant, but pi plus form is present, so this value present in third quadrant. So pi plus theta. Now after check out in third quadrant which two function is positive, so tan and cot positive in third quadrant, so remaining four function negative form. So here written minus sign, minus minus minus. Similarly, same way, suppose sin pi minus theta, so how can we find out? So here written cos into bracket pi minus theta tan into bracket pi plus theta, pi minus theta cot into bracket pi minus theta sec into bracket pi minus theta and cosec into bracket pi minus theta. So again here sin pi minus theta, so pi is present here and minus form is present, so this value is present in second quadrant. Now this pi is present in x-axis, so we cannot change the position of function. Sin in place of written here sin theta, cos in place of written cos theta, tan in place of written tan theta, cot in place of written cot theta, sec in place of written sec theta, and cosec in place of written cosec theta. Now in second quadrant only sine and cosec function is present, so sine is present form and cosec is present. Remaining four function written here minus sign, so here we can written minus sign. Now suppose sine 2 pi minus theta and sine 2 pi plus theta, so how can we find out this value? So again same process, here 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, and here written 2 pi. Now here first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Now in first quadrant all this value positive form, all these 6 function positive, and in fourth quadrant cos and sec only 2 function is positive form. Now again sine 2 pi minus theta, cos into bracket 2 pi minus theta, tan into bracket 2 pi minus theta, cot into bracket 2 pi minus theta, sec into bracket 2 pi minus theta, and cosec into bracket 2 pi minus theta. So sine 2 pi is present here. Now this value 2 pi is present in x-axis, so we cannot change the position of function. Sine in place of written sine form, cos in place of written cos, tan in place of written tan form. So written here first of all sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now after which value 2 pi, that means here, and 2 pi minus, that means this value present in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant only two function is positive, cos and sec, so here we can written plus sign, and sec, so here we can written plus sign. Now remaining four function written in minus sign. Similarly sine 2 pi plus theta, so 2 pi, that means this value present in first quadrant, and we know that in first quadrant all this value positive, so sine 2 pi plus theta, that means cos, here not change the position of function, so written here sine theta, cos into bracket 2 pi plus theta means cos theta, tan into bracket 2 pi plus theta, that means tan theta, cot into bracket 2 pi plus theta, that means cot theta. Similarly sec and cosec theta we can written here. Okay, now suppose means position 0 here, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi here. Now after circle moving in after, so here we can written 5 pi by 2 here. Now pi 3 pi position here, uh, 7 pi by 2 here, 4 pi position here. Now again moving this circle, so here written 9 pi by 2 here, 5 pi here, 11 pi by 2 position here, same way 6 pi is here. Okay, now how can we find out, using by this result, how can we find out the value of, suppose, sine 750 degree. So here 0 degree is present, pi by 2 90, 180, 270, 360. That means one circle moving, so we get 360 degree. Now here our question is find out the value of 750 degree. So 750 degree, that means circle is moving in 2 times. So here we can written 720, circle is whole circle moving is 1 times, so we get 360 degree. Now circle is moving 2 times, so 720 degree, and 250 present, so here we can written 720 plus 30 degree. Now 720, that means here written sine 2 pi plus 30 degree. Now here sine 2 pi plus theta, that means sine theta, so written here sine 30 degree, and the value of sine 30 degree, that means using by trigonometry table 1 by 2. So here we get the value of sine 750 degree is equal to 1 upon